welcome back once again to another of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing a super highly requested video. Like, I literally get so many comments from you guys telling me, oh my god, like, I love your hair, please do a hair care routine, a curly hair routine, and I'm finally taking the time out of my schedule to create this video for you guys. So yes, I really hope that you all enjoy it. Please make sure to subscribe for more of hair content and lifestyle content, and also make sure that you are following me on Instagram so you can see all of my cute pictures and follow up and be on top of what happens on my day-to-day life. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and let's get to it. So for my shampoo, I am using this Coco Cream sulfate-free shampoo from the brand Kiehls, and let me tell you, ever since I discovered this brand, I have not stopped using their product. They leave my hair looking and feeling so soft. I have zero frizz, literally a dream. But if you want me to recommend you another brand, I love using the Whole Blends line from the brand Garnier. It also nourishes my hair. It leaves it so soft, so beautiful. So I definitely recommend that line for you. And to detangle my hair, I use a wide comb. And I usually just detangle my hair inside the shower because I just feel that it's easier for me to do that when my hair is wet. Okay guys, so I have a little tip and trick for you, and it is to leave the hair conditioner on your hair for a few minutes before you rinse it out in order for it to have time to nourish and do what it has to do. So my trick for you guys is to go ahead and put your hair on a bun and then proceed to washing your whole body, and then after you finish that, rinse out the conditioner. Now for the second part of this video, I'm basically just going to show you my routine of what I do after I get out of the shower and just like how I style it in general. So the first thing that I always do is take just another brush and detangle it again. What I use to detangle my hair is just basically this Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. I just basically spray it all over my hair. And I think I just ran out of it. And then detangle it with a brush. And it's super easy to detangle it right now because I already detangled it in the shower. So I'm just basically doing it for the second time. So now it's time to apply the Coco Cream Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. And I love that it comes in like a super huge size because I have long curly hair and I need a good amount of this product. So I'm basically just going to take some of it on my hand, divide my hair into two sections, and just do like this, rub it on my hands. Ooh, oh, that is disgusting. Sorry. Oh, okay. So then I just run it down my hair, doing the exact same thing. And I'm going to be taking it towards the ends as well. And then I'm just going to brush it. My hair routine basically consists of detangling, putting product, detangling, putting product on, and just leaving it to air dry. I love washing my hair and doing this routine. It makes me feel like fresh and new. Okay guys, so I also forgot to mention in the video that I usually started implementing this certain routine, and it is that I basically just apply a hair mask every 2 weeks, just because I just feel that my hair needs that little extra push, that little extra help for it to stay pretty and beautiful every day. And I use this Kiehls olive fruit oil deeply reparative hair pack, and it is formulated for dehydrated, undernourished, and damaged hair. Also guys, for the days that I do not wash my hair, I usually just refresh my hair and style it by using this Kiehls Daughter Hair Milk Nourishing and Conditioning Refresher Spray. Just wanted to throw it in here because it is a hair care routine and I need to show you literally everything that I use. Okay guys, so now that my hair is all detangled and I have some product on and it's not frizzy, I wanted to do something different for this video, something that I've never tried before. And yesterday I went to Walmart and I bought these little hair barrettes. They are really trendy right now on Instagram and on social media, so I decided that I wanted to purchase these and put it on my curly hair to see how it looks. So since I don't have a mirror right now, I'm gonna go to my room and put these on, and then I'm going to come back and show them to you and do the outro. Okay guys, so these are the hair barrettes and how I styled them. I love them so much. Like, they work wonders on putting my hair down. They do not fall, they do not hurt. Like, I'm seriously obsessed with them. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel if you want to see more of my curly hair routines and curly hairstyles, and just like all of the other lifestyle content that I post. And also make sure that you are following me on Instagram if you want to see more of my day-to-day life. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!